Hello, my YouTube family and friends. This is Todd here with another mail call and shout out. This is a late one. This is from the June Redneck Metals auction. I purchased a piece from Silver Scorpion, and I also won a giveaway at the end of the stream. I'll show you that. And I also have mail here from Mr. John Wolf Shaw, so we'll get into it. Let's see here. This first one here is from John Wolf Shaw, so I'll get it out. Nice. Cool, he sent me a sticker. Love my stickers, guys. I don't have this one, and thank you very much, John. It's a Lemonhead penny sticker, so that'll go awesome up on my wall. And he had another mint set that he was so gracious and sold it to me. So I had to pick this up for my collection. This one I didn't have. It's a 1972 uncirculated set. So John, thank you very much, brother. I really appreciate it. Everybody, please go check out John Wolf Shaw. He's an awesome fellow, member of the Redneck Metals pouring crew, coming out with some fantastic pieces. So check him out, everybody. This next one here is from Silver Scorpion. Like I said, I bought a piece in his auction because I didn't have one of his pieces, so now I do. This is the COA for it. This is Silver Scorpion's prototype copper channel bar. It weighs 60 grams. It's a very cool piece, guys. Let me show it to you here. Hopefully it will show on camera. So I got myself a Silver Scorpion pour for my collection. Very cool Silver Scorpion. Thank you very, very much, brother. Appreciate that. So this next one here, this was my package from Big Red Bullion. Let me get it out of here. I won the giveaway at the end of the stream there of the auction. Oh, I gotta get this out of the bag so you guys can see it. This piece is beautiful. Oh, come on. Oh, I don't know why I fight with stuff. Come on out of there. It's stuck in the bag, guys. Give me a second here. I don't want to knock the camera over. Like you see it, I'm hitting it. Come on. There we go. First of all, we got the COA for it. This is the Stormbreaker 999 fine silver from Big Red Bullion. Weighs 1.2 ounces. Troy ounces. It's number 2. So Red, thank you very much, brother. It's an awesome piece. Absolutely love it. So let me show it to you guys. This thing is incredible. If I can hold it without flipping it around. But the detail is incredible in it. Very, very cool piece. If I can get my hands to work here without knocking the camera over. Red, you did a fantastic job on this, brother. I love it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, everybody, Redneck Metals is having an auction on July 17th at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. Please go over and watch that auction and hopefully get yourself some amazing silver pours from these guys. They're doing some really fabulous work. Some works of art. That's all I can say. These guys are amazing. So please go over and check these guys out and show them some love and support. And I just wanted to thank everybody here on YouTube. If you notice or not, I reached my 1,000 subscriber mark, my milestone. That was my goal to get to reach. I really appreciate it from everybody for all of your help and watching my videos. And right now I need a bunch of watch hours so I can get monetized, hopefully. Well, we'll see if that happens. If it does, great. Let me show you my sticker wall here. This thing is, I love all these stickers. They're amazing. Every one of you channels are amazing people. Very good friends. And I absolutely love showing you my sticker wall. I still need to have somebody come over and help me put up the rest of them, guys. Like I said, I believe I have 89. I counted the other day. I still have to go up on the wall. There's my Sandy Taylor photography photo, my wood burning from Oz Art, my license plate, my flags. Love my flags, especially this one. Awesome. Everybody, thank you very much again. I really appreciate everything you do for me in the community. Please go over and check out Redneck Metals and be at the auction. Like I said, they got some really fantastic pieces going on. So, thanks everybody. Have a good day. Bye.